What's up, Tech Nation? Are you guys ready to try out this, what do I call it, a Bluetooth light switch or controller for your light switch? If you don't want to replace the light switch and go to your smart home devices, you just want to use this instead. This is an easier, inexpensive, it's about $10, $15 to buy. It's called SwitchMate. Okay, so if you're coming home and the house is dark, you want to turn on the lights, you can do it from your phone. Then you can set a timer for automatic on-off controls. So if you go away on vacation, you want the lights to be on at night or just for a few hours at night to keep people away from your house. That's cool. Let me tell you what this device is great for. You can see inside how easy it is. You literally just attach it magnetically to your light switch, boom, and then go to the app and tell it when to turn on or turn on now, either one. Now, when you open the package, you can see it comes with a battery already. That's really cool. I don't think there's a product on the market other than this that comes with a battery. Everything always says batteries not included. All right, so let's go look for, what's it called? SwitchMate. We'll go to the App Store right now, and we're gonna search for SwitchMate. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab this top one here. I don't know if that's the right one or not, but we're gonna try it out. Are you serious? Face not recognized. Try it again. How is face not recognized? Try it again. Literally twice I had to do it. Good job, Apple. As you can see, the two batteries that came in the device, they go right on this, along the side here. That is so weird. They went to the off position as soon as I put the batteries in. So be aware of that as you're putting this thing together. Let me show you how easy this attaches. It attaches just like that. Boom. And then if you want to turn off the light, you just press the button. You can manually touch it. Okay, or you can use the phone and see how that works. So let's try that out right now. So the light's on right now. And there you go, the light's off right now. Try it again. Turn the light on. The light's on. And switch it off. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is figure out how to add a device. So let's hit the plus sign. Light or bright, power, cube, zip, doorbell, security system. Oh, they have other things too. All right, so we're doing tap the type of device below that you were adding, light. All right, scanning for switch light or brights. Make sure to insert. It's scanning for it right now. I've got it already attached. Oh, did it find it? Press the center button to pair to your phone. So let's do that right now. I'm pressing the center button. Verify device firmware. So I'm updating it. Here we go. Okay, the lights are off. Turn it on. And turn them off. And turn them on. So this is what SwitchMate looks like. Works perfectly if it's something you're looking to do instantly and you don't want to mess with wiring and everything, wiring your house to be a smart house. Just go with SwitchMate. There's a link down below, and I will talk to you later, Tech Nation. Take care. Bye-bye.